In this video, we're going to be going over how to sign up to Claude AI. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing we need to do is go to Claude AI. From here, we have the option to sign in with Google or with a valid email address. I'm going to select Google and sign into my Google account, then agree to the customer terms and usage policy. From here, we need to select what plan we would like to go ahead with. We can see all the features that each plan offers. I'm going to continue with the free plan by selecting Stay on Free Plan. Claude will now list out some things you should know, so I'm going to click I understand. We now need to type what we want Claude to call us, then hit the up arrow. Then we can select our interests and click Let's Go. From here we can select one of the topic ideas to test. We can now start using Claude AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.